everyone, let's talk about something we all deal with: passwords. They're everywhere: email, streaming services, shopping accounts, and let's be honest, keeping track of them can feel impossible. Here's the thing: reusing your passwords or using something easy to guess like your dog's name or 123456 puts you at serious risk. If one account gets hacked, it's like handing over your keys to your entire digital life. Password managers are here to save the day. They're like a super secure vault for all your passwords, and today I'm going to show you how they work, why they're safe, and how you can use them to make your life easier. Hey everyone, let's talk about something we all deal with. So what exactly is a password manager? Think of it like a digital vault that stores all your passwords in one secure place. Instead of remembering 50 different passwords, you only need to remember one, your master password. Here's how it works. When you log into an account, the password manager fills in your username and password for you. It can also generate super strong passwords that are impossible to guess. And the best part? Everything is encrypted, which means all your passwords are scrambled into code that only you can unlock with your master password. Even the company behind the app can't see your passwords, so your data stays private and secure. It's like having a digital bodyguard for all your accounts. Now that we know what a password manager is, let's look at some of the great options out there. LastPass is one of the most popular apps. It stores all of your passwords and can even monitor the dark web to alert you if your accounts are compromised. Dashlane is similar, but comes with bonus features like a built-in VPN for secure browsing. Bitwarden is an amazing option if you're looking for something affordable. It's an open source, and even the free version has unlimited device syncing. 1Password is perfect for families. It lets you securely share passwords with your loved ones and even has a travel mode to hide sensitive data temporarily. Each of these options has its strengths, so it's all about finding the one that fits your needs. I know what you might be thinking. How do I know my passwords are safe in a password manager? It's a great question. Password managers use something called encryption. Basically, this scrambles your passwords into unreadable code, and only your master password can unlock it. Even if someone tried to hack into the app, they wouldn't be able to see your information. Most password managers have a zero-knowledge policy, which means even the app developers can't see your passwords, and many of them go through regular security audits to make sure they're as safe as possible. Using a password manager is actually much safer than keeping your passwords written down or saved in your browser, where they're more vulnerable. Why should I use a password manager? Let's break it down. First, they generate strong, unique passwords for every account. No more worrying if your password is too weak or too common. Second, they save you time. No more trying to remember what your password you used or resetting it for the 10th time. Third, they keep you safe. Reusing the same password everywhere is risky. If one account gets hacked, it could give hackers access to all your accounts. And finally, many password managers alert you if one of your passwords have been compromised, so you can update it right away. Let's talk about why randomly generated passwords are much better than the ones you create yourself, even if they're long. When you create a password, it might feel strong, like using a phrase or combining words and numbers you think are clever. But here's the thing: hackers use powerful tools that can guess passwords by running through common patterns, phrases, or combinations of millions of them per second. A random string of numbers, letters, and symbols generated by a password manager doesn't follow predictable patterns. It's completely unique and much harder for hackers to crack, even with advanced tools. For example, something like 7QX V $12P7 is far stronger than a password like Sunshine 2024 because it doesn't use recognizable words or sequences. And here's the best part: you don't need to memorize it. Your password manager will store it securely for you and autofill it when you need it. Using random manager-generated passwords takes the guesswork out of security and makes your accounts virtually uncrackable. When choosing a password manager, look for features that fit your needs. Is it easy to use? A user-friendly interface makes a huge difference. Does it work on all your devices? Look for apps that sync across your phone, tablet, and computer. What extra features does it have? Some apps offer stronger secure storage for things like credit card details, password sharing for families, or even dark web monitoring. A good password manager should feel like a tool you can rely on every day, not something that adds extra stress. When choosing a password manager, look for features that fit your needs. Getting started with a password manager is easier than you think. First, pick an app that feels right for you. Maybe start with a free trial to test it out. Next, create your master password. Make it strong but easy for you to remember. Think of a phrase or combination of words that only you know. Import your existing passwords or let the app generate new ones for you as you go. Organize your passwords into folders or categories like work, personal, or subscriptions. Finally, enable two-factor authentication for your password manager to add an extra layer of security. Even if you just have a handful of accounts, it's still a good idea to use a password manager. It ensures each account has a strong, unique password, so if one gets compromised, the others stay safe. Plus, you'll never have to remember them all. It's a win-win. Even if Great question. Password managers use advanced encryption so your data is scrambled and only accessible with your master password. Even with the company that runs the app can't see your information. Many reputable apps also go through regular security audits to maintain trust and safety. Hi, Sophie. Most password managers offer recovery options like a backup key or email verification so you can regain access. Just make sure you store your recovery info in a secure place like a locked filing cabinet or a trusted location offline to avoid being locked out. Absolutely. Bitwarden and LastPass both offer great free versions that cover the basics, like storing passwords and syncing across devices. While premium plans offer extra features, free options are more than enough to get started. While saving passwords in your browser is convenient, it's not as secure. Browser-stored passwords can be more easily hacked or exposed if your computer is compromised. Password managers offer encryption and extra features like dark web monitoring that browsers don't provide. Hi, John. Definitely. Most password managers are designed to be user-friendly, even for beginners. Apps like Dashlane or 1Password have simple interfaces that walk you through setup step by step. Plus, once you're set up, they do a lot of the heavy lifting for you. Yes, they can. Many password managers let you store secure notes, credit card details, and even personal documents. For example, 1Password and Keeper both have features for securely saving sensitive info beyond passwords. Password Manager is one of the simplest ways to protect your online accounts and make your life easier. They help you create strong passwords, save you time, and give you peace of mind knowing your data is secure. If you're not using one yet, give it a try. It's a small change that makes a big difference. And if you have any questions or want to share your favorite password manager, drop in the comments below. Let's all stay safe online.